Okay guys, you can see Adam's already started taking the truck apart. Took a pretty bad hit, but it could have been a lot worse. Needs control arm, windshield, door, a good bit of work on the cab, and it's going to need a bed. Definitely going to need some love, but luckily he was okay, and that was our main concern. So we appreciate you guys hanging out and watching. Thanks. Hey everybody, Benji with North Avenue Racing. So as you can see from the video, our luck ran out with the little blue truck. We were coming off a four-win streak and no prep events with the little truck in the street classes. And we double entered in street and tailgate class at Brainerd Motorsports Park for the backside brawl. Made a decent hit off the trailer for the ultimate street, but did lose that round. Turned it up a little bit for the second round and got put in the other lane, and it did not work out for us. The truck made a left-hand turn into the wall, as you can see. Pretty good bit of damage, but the biggest thing is Adam, the owner and driver, is okay, so that's our main concern. He did have on his safety gear, so I would definitely implore you, and kind of where I'm interjecting this video here, of wear your safety gear, guys. You never know when something's going to happen. Make sure you've got at least what you need for how fast your car is, and it wouldn't be a bad idea to have a little more if you can afford it. So it's definitely a dangerous thing that we do. But hopefully we'll have the little shop truck back out soon. We appreciate you guys watching. We'll have some more content with some other vehicles coming right up. So take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Thank you very much.